Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install ThriveCart shopping cart step by step clearly. To install ThriveCart shopping cart, begin by visiting the ThriveCart website. Create your account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your details including your name, email, and password. Once registered, you will receive a confirmation email. Click the link in the email to activate your account. Log into ThriveCart with your new account credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to the ThriveCart dashboard. To begin creating your first product, click on the Products tab on the left menu. Next, select the New Product button. Choose the type of product you want to create. You can select physical, digital, or subscription products. Fill in the product details such as the name, description, and price. Customize your sales page by choosing a template or starting from scratch. Edit the content and appearance of the sales page to reflect your brand. Configure the checkout settings including payment methods and tax settings. Connect your payment provider by selecting from options like PayPal or Stripe. Once your payment gateway is connected, set up any upsells or order bumps if desired. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. When you're satisfied, save your settings by clicking the Save button. To generate a checkout link, navigate back to the Products tab. Select your product and click on Share to access the checkout link. Copy this link to share with your customers. To test your checkout process, open the link in a new browser window. Complete a test purchase to ensure everything is functioning properly. If any adjustments are needed, revisit the relevant settings in ThriveCart. Once finalized, you can begin promoting your product to customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.